Hello. Today we're making dinner rolls, lovely soft dinner rolls. They've got a high percentage of butter and milk in them. So what I have is 20 grams of salt, 10 grams of bread improver. I really like using bread improver. You can get it online. 10 grams of yeast, 25 grams of sugar, and 80 grams of butter. And I have 300 mils of water and 300 mils of milk. I've already put a kilo of baker's flour in the bowl. So I'll add all these ingredients now and I'll get them mixing. Okay, now this has been about 8 minutes. Looks pretty good to me. I'll get that out now. It's nicely developed. I'll just give it a bit of a fold here. Now I'll put this in a bowl to rest. Probably let it brew for a good hour. I'll just see how it's going. Just put a little bit of flour over it. And I'll cover this now and let it rest for about an hour, hour and a quarter. Okay, now this has risen up quite enough. It's been about an hour and a half. I'll get it out and we'll scale it off. Now I'll scale these at about 50 grams. 50 grams I'm going to scale these off at. Now that should be right. I think that's all I need. Okay, I've got some little trays over there pre-greased. So we'll get those moulded up. Put them in the trays, like so. You can mould them the best way you can. But as long as you get them in like little balls like that, is quite good. Okay. Now, nearly finished. Got these in the trays. They're nice when you roll them in little balls like this. Is really the only way you can do them, like that. Okay, these are now ready to put somewhere nice and warm. And when they're risen up enough, probably in about 3/4 of an hour, we'll bake them off. Now, these have risen up quite nicely. I'll put them in the oven now. I've preheated the oven to 200 Celsius, and after I put them in, I'll turn the oven back to 180. Good, they should be right for about 25 minutes. Okay, these are now ready to come out. Oh, they look beautiful. These are really nice. I'm very happy with these. They're beautiful. Okay, I'll just get these out of the tins. I'll paint these with butter while they're still hot. Really makes them look nice. Oh, the smell coming off these is amazing. You're really going to enjoy making these for your family. They're really nice. I'll put them on cooling wires in a minute so they can cool down properly. And look at that, eh? Beautiful. I'll just break these in half. And look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this video making these dinner rolls. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe, for I will be making more videos. So goodbye and thank you all very much.